Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum, Namaste and Vanakkam. Welcome back to my channel, Sameera Sharif. Alright guys, so today's video is going to be very different. So basically I was not informed that I had a shoot today. It was my day off, but all of a sudden I got a call and they said I am shooting today from the afternoon and my skin isn't ready for a shoot. So now what do I mean by my skin is not ready for a shoot? Grooming is very important, and as you can see my skin is totally right. So for that, let me quickly zoom in and show you guys how exactly my skin's looking now. So if you can see, there's a lot of facial hair like all over my face. So if you can see, there's so much facial hair all over my face. Not just the facial hair, but also my face, my arms, like my entire body is totally tan. Thanks to the Visakhapatnam shoot, the Vizag shoot that we recently went to. So my face is completely tan, and also there are a few blemishes here and there which I'm working on. So now I will take you guys through the quick grooming session. So all we need to groom ourselves, just 3 products. Let me quickly show them to you guys. So now Upton is very good to get rid of the tan, and I have the Upton face wash by Mamaearth. Now this is made up of turmeric and saffron. Now all these products are dermatologically tested, paraben and SLS free, and also they suit all skin type. So I'm going to be using the Upton face wash because that's going to help me get rid of my tan. The more I use this, the more it's going to help getting rid of my tan. The Upton products are very good for tan removal, guys. Yes, it says for tan removal. So now I would quickly go wash my face and come. Before that, let me show you guys all the products that I would need for this grooming session. So next up, we're going to need some razors. So I have 3 different sizes of razors. I've already done a video in past on shaving my facial hair, but I will do a detailed one now and talk about do's and don'ts and all the myths that everybody has in their heads in this video. And after this, the next and the best product of all is this is the Bye Bye Blemishes by Mamaearth, and this is made up of mulberry extract and vitamin C. Can I emphasize more on that? Vitamin C. So yes, this has mulberry extract and also vitamin C. It is mineral oil and paraben free, and it has the bioactives, and it suits all skin type. So now let me quickly wash my face before talking more about all these products. Before going in to wash my face, let me show you guys the consistency of the Upton face wash. So now this is how the Upton face wash looks. Now this much is enough. So I'm just gonna apply.
Here's what I found.
So I'm just gonna apply a little onto my skin. Now let me tell you guys that Upton face wash also has some tiny particles which is also going to help in exfoliating your skin. So that is gonna help in getting rid of the tan as well, as I already told you. Now it says apply small amount and massage with your fingertips in circular motion. Concentrate on your forehead, nose and chin. Rinse off and pat dry. Avoid eye contact. So make sure that you don't hurt your eyes. Now let me quickly go and scrub a little more inside, wash my face and see you guys. Alright, so this is how my skin looks post face wash. You can already see the glow. Can you see the difference already? So Upton face wash is really good, guys. Not just the Upton face wash, but also the entire Upton range is one of my most favorite range. Now the next thing that we would need, I totally forgot to mention, is a headband. Okay, so now that we got our hair off our face, the next thing that we would do is get rid of our facial hair. Before moving on and getting rid of the facial hair, let me talk more about the Upton face wash and also the Bye Bye Blemishes. Now why did I choose these 2? As I told you guys, this is very good for tan removal, and this one is good to get rid of your blemishes. The more regular you are using this Bye Bye Blemishes, the more it's gonna reduce all your blemishes on your skin. So that is the main reason that I'm using this product, and also it's going to calm my skin because it has mulberry extract and vitamin C. Now before moving on, let me tell you guys that Mamaearth is goodness inside. Actually, it is not just goodness inside but also goodness in its value. Now they've come up with a planned goodness initiative. Now what is this? Every time you buy a product from them, they're going to link your order on the website to the tree that they have planted, and also the exact geolocation, picture and the species of the tree that they've planted is going to be sent to you. You can contribute something to the environment by purchasing products from Mamaearth. And also guys, Mamaearth recycles way more plastic than they use. They recycle about 120 metric tons of plastic every month. That is like huge. And you guys know that Mamaearth is now certified by PETA for being cruelty free. Now let me tell you guys that you can buy all Mamaearth products on Amazon, Nykaa and also on their website, and you can use my coupon code which is Sameera2020 on their website to avail 20% discount. Now let's move on with the process. So now as I told you, I have 3 different blades. I'll be using the bigger one first. Now before starting, let me show you guys the sizes of the blades that we have. So this is the biggest, and then we have this one, and then there's this tiny blade that I have. So we're going to start with this one first. Let me quickly zoom in you guys before I start shaving my facial hair. Okay, so now make sure you don't place your blade in a 90 degrees angle, and just hold your facial hair like so and place it in like about 45 degrees. You don't have to place it straight onto your face, don't have to place it even like this. Make sure you have this right angle, like the 45-degree angle, and then slowly in a very tiny strokes and your side locks is totally your wish, like kahan tak you want to get rid of your side locks. Can you see the peach fuzz, you guys? Like this is not all. There's still so much hair on my face. Now it's totally fine if you take it upwards or you get it downwards, but just make sure that you have your blade placed in a right position, like the right angle. Now when I say right angle, that doesn't mean 90 degrees. It is like in the 45-degree angle, so you don't cut yourself, and be very, very gentle, because you know that your facial hair is very, very sensitive. Now it not just removes your facial hair but also exfoliates your skin. Like it removes all the dead skin that you have on your skin. I mean the dead skin layer. So can you see that? It's not just the peach fuzz but also tiny particles of the dead skin. Now that I'm done doing my face, let me quickly zoom in and show you guys how I do my brows. So this is all the dead skin that has come after exfoliating. So now I just let be the hair that I have on my brows, like all these extras, and I don't do much on it, but just in case if I want to get rid in the centers of my brows. Just to give it the shape only in the center. So that is what I do. I just get rid of the hair that is in the centers of my brows, and also I've got rid of the facial hair. As you can see, there's no facial hair anyway. And also I've done my chin, my upper lip, and also my forehead, as you can see. And now the next thing that we do is just spray on some water. Now it's totally your choice. You can use the vitamin C toner or also the rose water. Now right now I have just sprayed the regular drinking water. Now comes my most favorite part, that is using the Bye Bye blemishes. So now all you got to do is just take about pea size for about a pump and then dot it all over your face and also your neck. And then using your fingertips, just give it a quick massage and make sure you apply it upwards and outwards, like in circular motion. upward direction. Also, let me tell you guys that this smells amazing. And now you can see my skin is glowing. Can you see the shine that my skin naturally has from within? Because we've gotten rid of the tan, we got rid of the facial hair, and also we have moisturized our skin using the Bye Bye Blemishes. Now, why did I use Bye Bye Blemishes? As I told, this helps in reducing the blemishes, and when you are getting little harsh onto your skin by using the razors, this is going to calm your skin down because this has mulberry extract and vitamin C, and also it's going to help your skin not to have more blemishes and work on the blemishes that your skin already has. So that is why I would definitely recommend you guys to try on the Bye Bye Blemishes by Mamaearth. So yes, now that I have prepped my skin for my shoot, the next thing that we got to do is set my hair. So now I haven't washed my hair. It is just 1 day old. Like, I washed my hair yesterday, but now you can see the curls are a little messed up. So what are we gonna do to set my hair? So I'm just gonna spray some water, as my hair already has the curl cream. So I'm just gonna spray some water and I'm gonna scrunch my hair in like so, and that's gonna make my curls healthy and also organized. Tip time, guys, do not use a hairbrush or a hair comb or anything on your second day. Use it only when you wash your hair, just because, you know, I'm not going to wash my hair, I'm not going to detangle my curls. Like, if I use a hairbrush or a hair comb or anything, it's going to open my curls and that's going to make my hair look more worse, and also it's going to cause breakage. So very, very important rule for all the curly girls out there. Next, we're gonna quickly moisturize our lips. So for that, I'm using Baby Lips by Maybelline. So like, I have applied generous amount of lip balm onto my lips. So yeah, that completes my look. So yes, I'm shoot ready now. Now I just need to wear my makeup, and my makeup is gonna glide so easily because my skin is supremely smooth. And also see that my tan has reduced, like on my forehead, my nose, and also on my cheeks. So yes guys, that's about this video and also about today's giveaway. So today we are giving away the Bye Bye Blemishes Ubtan face wash and also the razors, so you can do this glowing skincare at your home. And to participate in this giveaway, all you got to do is like this video, subscribe to my channel, subscribe to Shahnur Sana's YouTube channel, and also comment down and let me know why you deserve to win this giveaway. I'll see you guys soon in my next video. Until I'll see you next, lots of love.